Welcome back to the channel guys. In this video we will see how to install jdk13 in our computer system. So first we will see what are the configurations for jdk13, then we will download jdk13 in our system, and then we will see the complete installation process. After that we will set the path variables for Java, which is very important task, and in the end we will test whether Java 13 has been installed or not. So let's get started. So the most important and common configuration for installing jdk13 is that you must have a 64-bit computer system. That we will check in a minute. Other configurations for particular OS are on the official documentation of Oracle. So for that, please see the description. Okay, so now we will see whether our system is 32-bit or 64-bit. So just click on Windows button and in control panel open system and security, and in this system it is written that our system is of 64-bit. So you can check like that whether your system is of 64-bit or not. Now let's install Java 13 in our system. Just go to your browser and write www.oracle.com/java and enter. You can see that Java 14 is now available, but it is not stable version, so we will just download Java 13. So Java 13 is now available, and you can click on that, and here you can see that there are so many different download packages for JDK. You can select JDK as per your operating system. I have Windows OS, so I will click on Windows installer and just accept it and download. Okay, I will download it in desktop. Okay, as you can see, the installation process has been started. Okay, so as you can see that the jdk13 has been installed, and just click on that, and yes, it is preparing, and click on next, and here you can see that it is asking me to install Java SE Development Kit 13 to C drive program files Java jdk13. Okay, so you can change the path of it from here, but I am not changing it now, and click on next. Okay, so now just go to the C drive program files Java, and you can see that the jdk13 has been installed in your system. So now for accessing development kit from anywhere, we have to set the environment path variables. So go to your control panel and just open system and security, and in system go to advanced system settings and go to environment variables. So you can see that the Java 13 path has been set. If it is not set, you have to set it manually like this. Just click on new and write variable name as Java or anything, and you have to give the path of the bin folder of your JDK. So just browse the file and C drive program files Java jdk13 and yes, bin, and just copy that path and just close it and paste it. Okay, and this is just for administrator, and for setting system variables you have to repeat this process. and click on OK. Path variables have been set. Okay, so now we will check whether jdk13 has been installed or not. So go to command prompt and just write java dash version, and you can see that the Java version 13.0.2 is available, and you are ready for the first program to be written. So in the next video we will write the first Java program, and if you have any doubt or query regarding the installation process of jdk13, let me know in the comment section. I will be very happy to answer them. Thank you.